In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment method on Wecasa. By following these instructions, you will be able to successfully set up your preferred payment option while booking a service. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website or opening the Wecasa app on your device. Once you are on the home screen, locate the login button, which is typically found at the top right corner. Click this button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. After entering your credentials, click the login button to access your account. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Next, start booking a service by selecting any option such as cleaning, massage, hair, or beauty. After making your choice, you will be prompted to enter your address. Fill in the required address fields accurately to ensure the service provider can reach you. Once you've entered your address, you will be asked to choose the specific service you want. After selecting the service, proceed to select the date and time that works best for you. Ensure that the selected time is available and convenient. On the final step of the booking process, look for the section labeled Your Payment Method. Click this option to view the available payment types. You will see options for credit, debit card, and PayPal. Choose the payment type that you prefer. If you select credit/debit card, you will be prompted to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Be sure to double check your entries for accuracy. If you opt for PayPal, a login prompt will appear. Enter your PayPal credentials to access your account and authorize the payment. After completing the payment method selection, confirm your booking by clicking the Book My Session button. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your session has been successfully booked. It's important to check your email for a confirmation of your appointment, as this serves as your receipt and reference. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.